Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about the future of our company. We haven't posted a lot of videos in the past month or two. Everyone's confused. They're like, hey, what's happening? There's no updates, all these things. So this video, we're basically going to tell you what we've been up to and where we're headed in the future. So first of all, what you may notice on this slide here, our name is officially Foxlister, but everywhere else it's still fbmfox.com. But moving into the future, the parent company is Foxlister because Fbmfox was too specific and we want to appeal to a wider audience. Although Foxlister is specific to a lister, but everything that we're doing is much more than that. This video will explain it. But essentially, we needed a name change, move into a wider audience, and over a slow period of time, you will start seeing our logo change with that name, our domain name change with that name, but all the previous names are still going to work, right? So if you type fbmfox.com, it'll just take you to our site always. All right, so the first square to address here, we're going to be adding further integrations very soon. Actually, they're already added. It's just a matter of releasing them. In the past 2 months, we've been hiring a team, building out systems to basically address all these things that we will be adding in the software for the long term. So we will be adding Walmart as a sales channel via API. We will also be adding eBay as a sales channel and Amazon as a sales channel. This includes repricing, listing, and orders management. All of those things will be in Fbmfox or Foxlister. Also, there will be a social proof aspect to the entire software. Fbmfox is actually going to have a community inside of the software with leaderboards and community posts and live chatting. If you're a manager, you can talk to your VA on their VA account right through the software. If you're a manager, you can see the VA's generated sales right through the software. If you're a community member, you have some friends, you guys are selling using Fbmfox, you can see each other's leaderboard and compete with each other right in the software, right? So it's going to be a place for social proof. We're really excited for that. That's something that I personally really wanted to implement, and I'm very excited to release that very soon. Next thing we can talk about is pricing. So pricing is all in one, and it's going to start always at $29 a month with that 7-day free trial. Even after we add Walmart, eBay, Amazon, and refine Shopify even more, and we add, all of these great things, it's all going to be just $29 a month. We're only charging for repricing and nothing else. All these integrations are all in one. They come for free. They're just going to be one checkbox away in your templates section, and that's it. Lastly, reliability is what we're focusing on, right? So in the past few months, you may have seen that, we had some choppy times. Well, that's because we were actually inputting all of these systems into the software. And we were doing a lot of surgery on the software, essentially, right? Making it stable enough so that it could scale over time and we could continue building out these core features and ensure maximum uptime. So that is basically where we're headed with the software. This is a quick overview video of where we've been, and we're really excited for the path that we're taking on ahead. And if you haven't used our software, you probably should. But I'm going to go ahead and show you, a sneak peek of what's to come within the software. So here is the backend dashboard of, basically the managers of our software. The people, our team can access this, right? So what you're going to see is, we have all these things already in the system: Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, eBay, auto ordering, master accounts, community. So, with a flick of a switch, we can give you access to certain things, and it's literally a switch, right? And then, the reason you may have seen some choppy service is because we were busy inputting these things in the back end. So, we're really excited to soon start just slowly unchecking each thing for everyone. And it's going to be an all-in-one kind of thing. Here you can sort of see how the chat's going to come in and how the friends are going to come in. Yeah, it's going to be a great interactive platform that is just a all-in-one multi-channel inventory management service, and for the time being, it will support those platforms, 4 or 5 platforms, and that is where we're headed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. Link in the description below gives you a 7-day free trial, and after that, it's only $29 a month. If you've been sort of waiting on the sidelines, you stopped selling in the summer, well, you better hop back on and start selling with us, because it's going to be fun. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.